What is up, ladies and gentlemen? My name's Nyla and I am back with another Skyway Classic. Today I have a beautiful 1957 Ford Thunderbird. So pretty. We got the white on white here. Got the white walls, the extra tire on the back. Beautiful, beautiful paint job. Interior is just as exquisite. It feels like a time capsule when you get into these. Got the black and white interior. It is an automatic transmission. Let me open this door so you can see a little better. Look at that. So pretty. It's very low car, but how cool. I love the windows on these, the curved glass there. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. So I'm just doing a quick little walk around. Up next, I'm gonna get that engine started. We'll take a look at the engine bay, then we'll take it for a drive, and then we'll take a look at the underneath. Alrighty, here we are inside the 56 Thunderbird. Cold start. Started up super easy. Ooh, horn does work. We got the odometers, all work, gas gauge, all that stuff. Let's see how she drives. Literally feel like I'm in a time capsule in this, and even though it's very low, it is very spacious. It's got a lot of head space. So let's see. Taking that dip kind of slow. Sounds super good. No squeaking over that bump. That's a good sign. And we're just gonna take it down the road so you can see how she cruises. Come up around this corner, go through the gears one time, and then we will flip it around and put it up on the lift and take a look at the undercarriage. It drives phenomenal. Sounds good, feels good, has great brakes. Pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna flip it around and we'll take a look at the underneath. Stay tuned.